Stuck on how to fix Bluetooth couldn't connect error on Windows 10, 11 PC or laptop? Don't skip this, follow till the step 6 and you'll fix it fast. Step 1. Check if the problem is your device. First, don't just assume Windows is broken. Try connecting another Bluetooth device. If only one device is not working, then the issue is with that device or the pairing, not your Windows system. Step 2. Restart Bluetooth properly. Now do a quick reset. Turn Bluetooth off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it on again. After that, restart your PC. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. This alone is not always enough. Step 3. Fix Bluetooth services. This is very important. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Now look for these two services: Bluetooth Support Service, Bluetooth User Support Service. Make sure both are running and set to automatic. Fix them if needed, then restart your PC. Step 4. Repair your device cleanly. Go to Bluetooth settings and remove the device completely. Then restart your PC and pair it again from the beginning. Old or broken pairing data often causes connection issues. Step 5. Fix driver issues, which is the most common cause. Open Device Manager. Find Bluetooth and click the arrow. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter. First try Update Driver. Then search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, right-click again and uninstall the device. Check Delete Driver Software if you see it. Then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. If it still fails, go to your laptop brand's official website and install the correct Bluetooth driver manually. Step 6. Disable Power Saving Hidden Problem. Go to Device Manager. Again, open Bluetooth adapter. Go to Properties. Then Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Windows sometimes turns off Bluetooth to save battery, which can break connections. Step 7. Run Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Go to Settings. Then System. Scroll down and find Troubleshoot. Then go to Other Troubleshooters. Now run Bluetooth from there. Let Windows detect and fix issues automatically. Step 8. Reset Network Stack Deep Fix. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. Then type netsh int IP reset. Then restart your PC. If nothing works after all these steps, then either your Bluetooth adapter is failing or a Windows update broke driver compatibility. In that case, the fastest fix is using an external USB Bluetooth adapter. It usually fixes the problem right away. Still having any issue? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.